Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend, and today I'm going to touch upon a very important rule. We can also call it as the golden rule for success in stock market trading. Friends, there are many strategies, many prophecies going on, many techniques going on in the stock market. But then you can find that there are many people who are coming daily into stock market, looking into the amount of profit they can make and how much amount of liquidity available in stock market. With lots of dreams, with lot of passion, you can see that there are lots and lots of people coming into stock market. But then this success remains to only 5 to 10% of the population or the crowd only. The reason because there are few rules, there are few basic things, elements which they forget, or it might be you can say that nobody has told them about that. Or you can also say that it is a human psychology that we can't adapt to it immediately and we won't be able to adapt to this rule of success. Okay, so what is this rule of success which you are all going to hear today? Stay tuned till end of the video. You will be getting full details about it, and I'll also be sharing you along with an example as well, and with my own strategies, how to implement this golden rule. All those things I'll be teaching to you today in this particular video. So stay tuned till end of the video, and in case if you're watching the video for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the like button. Fine. So before going forward, just wanted to give you a quick update about my ATF mentorship program. It's a 6 months mentorship program where I'll be concentrating more towards money management, trading discipline, and sound trading system. Okay. So in case if you want to join this program, you can WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 876525. Yes. Now friends, some people who come to the stock market and who start trading says that trading is dangerous. They start saying it that once when they start losing money, or sometimes that I hear many people who take lots of loans and come into stock market. And if at all you this story remains to you, then stay ahead. You will find out what you have to do so that you can achieve success in stock market. Okay, so I would say that trading is nothing. Trading is not dangerous, but in case if you don't have the knowledge, only then it is dangerous. So if you have the required knowledge, if you have the required skill, then trading is not dangerous at all. Come on friends, even driving a car, or why forget about driving a car, driving an aeroplane, driving a helicopter, it's all danger. But until unless if you're trained and if you have practiced it, then everything becomes easy. So think trading also in the same way. Okay, so let us go forward. So this is one thing which really made me make this video, because since I have given a number on WhatsApp, there are many people who come on WhatsApp and they keep telling their stories. 90% of them, or I can also say 99% of them, are all failure stories, because they say that they are on the edge of quitting trading, and then they come to me as a last hope, and then I give them training. Make them undergo lots of practices and all those things, and only then they come to a situation, or they come to realization telling that yes, I can also make money in stock market. So this is something which I am telling it to you all also, in case if you feel that you have come to an edge of your trading career. If at all you feel that you have tried out everything, all possible strategies, everything, and if you feel that you success trading is not for you, then I would recommend don't quit trading. Watch this video and understand what I'm going to teach you in this video, and then try to implement it, and then I would say that you will never have failure in stock market. Okay friends, so what is this golden rule all about? The golden rule is use a single strategy for a long time. Very simple to hear. So before going forward, or if at all you feel this is simple, just ask yourself a simple question. From the time I have started trading, how many strategies have I changed? Okay, if at all you analyze yourself, be true to yourself, you will come to know that once you started trading a strategy, yes, take my own example. I mean, my own students who see my own strategies, they follow the strategy when I upload it, and as long as it is happy, making continuous profits, they'll be very happy. And then once there is suddenly 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 losses, they start saying that the strategy is not working. So your strategy is not working. Your strategy is not working. Whereas me, I keep still following the same strategy. So if at all people who are along with me from a long time know that I still trade a simple breakout candle strategy. That's it. To keep it very, very simple, I use this strategy from past almost 5 years, 6 years. So people who are there with me along 2 years from the time we started the channel, they all know me very well. They all know that I use a simple strategy. I have not changed the strategy at all. I'm still using the same strategy. Okay, now why does it make an impact? What impact does it make? That I will show you with an example. Okay, so there are many strategies we can take an example. So I have taken a simple strategy of my own strategy, that is Reliance PRB, that is previous range breakout. So your strategy is not important. I'm just trying to teach you the concept here. So this is the points. This is the points with 10 points stop losses. So I will just take you down. I'll show you a scenario. So you can see that there are profits and losses, which is common in stock market. Yeah, I'm talking about this particular example. So let's say the date is, this data might be old data, but it's not of importance for us. I just wanted to teach you the concept. So you can see that from 9th August, a person till now you saw that was going on very good. Yes, you saw that from the, I'll just take you to the beginning. From the beginning you saw the strategy was going on very good. It was making losses, it was making profit, it was making losses, it was making profit. So whoever were trading were very happy. Same with my students also. All were like, sir, it is doing very good, all those things. Then came this situation. I also was trading the same strategy. My students also were trading the same strategy, and many of them started with this complaint. You can say even from 4th August. Okay, let us take 9th August. Got the first stop loss minus 10 points, fine. So whatever the stop losses, I have made it red here. Then came profit, that is negligible 1 point. Then again you can say one day got hit, stop loss. Second day again got stop loss. Third day again stop loss. By this time everybody started wondering, is this strategy going to work, or this strategy is come to an end? This strategy will not work anymore in stock market. It has become outdated. All this doubt start coming. And just because since I am also using the same thing, or I am also forcing to use this, they might trade even the 4th day, and you can see 4th day again it was a loss. So by now all would have already decided that yes, this strategy is no longer working. Whatever Princer thought, whatever he has uploaded, everyone are using it, and that by which operator is seeing our trades, and he is making all those kinds of thoughts keep coming. Friends, all those are nonsense. Okay, so let us see forward. Again you can see 5th day, again there is a loss. 6th day, again there is a loss. I am pretty sure by this 99 or even you can say 100% of people will quit this strategy, because you can see that continuous 5-6 losses and there is no returns out of stock market. But you know that we only lose 5% in our trades. So not even 5%, sometimes we lose only 2%. So still you have to trade. You must not quit, you must not give up, and stick to the same rules. So you can see that one fine day suddenly we got 19 points. Then again you got suddenly 29 points. So within bracket of 2 or 3 days you already made 30 plus 20, 50 points. Okay friends, so what I'm trying to say here is, whatever losses you're making, the losses are limited here. You can see all my strategies, they have perfect stop losses, and also I have mentioned how to book the profits. So as long as your strategy is having an accuracy of even 50%, and if your reward to ratio is more than 1:1, then you don't have to worry about the returns. You just have to make sure that you keep trading, follow the rules. Okay, so you just see this particular condition, you got continuous losses. By this time many would have quit trading, and when this profit came, they would have missed this, thinking that I will wait for the market to come up, or I will wait for the strategy to work, only then I'll start trading. They missed this profit. They would have thought, okay, it might be luck, and they would have just left it. Again one day they can see suddenly it made 29 points profit. So by then now you'll think that yes, this strategy is working, it has come back to normal, the strategy has got life back. So they start trading. So then you can see one stop loss hit, again one more stop loss hit. Okay, so by this again you can see one profit came, again one more stop loss hit, one more stop loss hit. Again they will start diverting, thinking that oh my god, strategy again is not working. But again, if at all they quit trading, you can see they are going to miss this 24 points profit. Again you can see after that it is continuous profits. You can see all profits. Yes, so this is the loophole friends, this is the technique, this is one skill which you all have to learn. If at all you take the losses, only then you'll be able to get the profits as well. If at all you see the losses and start thinking that no, it's time to change the strategy, and if you go to some other strategy, so again you might end up into another strategy where it might be going through a bad phase, or it might be going through a good phase, and then as soon as you enter, it might enter into a bad phase. So again you'll have to take this losses as well as you have to take that losses. But if at all you stick to a same strategy, if at all it's a good strategy, and if you stick to a same strategy, after making the losses, when you start making the profits, you will be able to enjoy the profits also. So the commitment which you have to take today in order to be successful in stock market is a simple secret. Don't change the strategy which you are using. If at all you are using a strategy today, please continue it till end of your life. Or if you feel that you can give a time of 1 year, at least use it for 1 year. You can see the magic. So this is the golden rule for achieving success in stock market. If at all you felt this video was good enough, or if at all if you feel that I was able to make a small difference in your skills of trading, then please do subscribe to my channel if at all you're not subscribed. And if at all you feel very happy about it, or if at all you want to learn more about it, you can always WhatsApp on my number in case if you wanted any Excel files or any support, any confusion, any doubts at any point of time. Just give me a WhatsApp message. My number is 8095 and I'll be really happy to help you. I'll also be very happy to take your feedbacks. Okay, and also I have provided the link to join Upstock. In case if you want to join Upstock, you can use the link which I provided in the description of this video, and you'll be getting discount in my courses as well. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.